If you've lost access to your X account and don't have access to the email associated with it, follow these steps to recover your account. Step 1. Visit the login page. Go to the X login page and click on the Forgot Password link. This will initiate the account recovery process. Step 2. Enter your username or phone number. Input your X username or the phone number linked to your account. This information will help the system identify your account. Step 3. Choose recovery option. Select the recovery option that you have access to, such as receiving a verification code via SMS if your phone number is linked to the account. Step 4. Verify your identity. Enter the verification code sent to your phone. This step is crucial to confirm that you are the rightful owner of the account. Step 5. Reset your password. Once verified, you will be prompted to create a new password. Choose a strong password and save it securely for future access. If you follow these steps carefully, you should be able to regain access to your account. Remember to update your recovery options once you read back and to avoid similar issues in the future.